Hello, this is Juan from Omotesando. Welcome to a new video of our channel. Today we're gonna see the top 5 kokedamas we have in Omotesando. We selected these ones because they are the ones that people like the most and the ones that we sell more. First of all, we're going to talk about Fiku Ginseng Kokedama. This is one of our best sellers. Fiku Ginseng and Pachira are the two plants that people like the most. And this one is very original because it's a bonsai. So basically, it's like a Fiku Ginseng of 6-year-old. What they have been doing is pruning their leaves for 6 years until it looks like a small tree. We also love the Fiku Ginseng because it has very cool aerial roots. It's impossible to find two Fiku Ginseng with the same structure of roots. They are all different and they are all unique, and that's why we love them. We also love the Fiku Ginseng when it has like a space between the aerial roots because it looks very cool and very different. Now, after the Fiku Ginseng, our other bestseller is the Pachira Kokedama. We love the Pachira because it's one of the most resistant plants we have, and it also grows very fast. So as you can see, it has really small leaves here growing already, and like in 2 or 3 weeks, it's gonna be way bigger. For example, my mom has one at home that's 2 years that I gave it to her like this, and now it's something like that. We also love it because it has like crossing trunks. This is not how it is in nature, but aesthetically it's very cool, so that's why people do it. After the Pachira, we're gonna talk about the Chamadorea. We love Chamadorea also because it looks like a small palm, and it's also very resistant to doing kokedama. It's one of the easiest kokedamas to do, so if you want to try to make a kokedama for the first time, you can try this one. Then we have the Asparagus Kokedama. I personally love this kokedama because it's very popular in Japan, and I love its leaves because as you can see, it looks like they are levitating. It's also really cool to touch them because they are like a sponge. And what I love about it, it's like it's different capes with their leaves levitating. Last but not least, we also have the Anthurium Kokedama. I personally love this plant also because it has these red leaves. They look like flowers, but they are actually leaves. This is the flower. So these red leaves last for a long time. So if you want to have a kokedama with color, the Anthurium is one of the best options. It is also very resistant and one of the most sold in our website also. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you liked it. If you want more content like this, you can follow us at Omotesando Plants. You can subscribe in our YouTube channel, and you can also find us in Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, everywhere, like Omotesando Plants. Thank you very much.